Nice. Get the good stretch going on here.
Back is in beach.
Yeah, another container is on the way. It's a 20 foot, so it's a smaller one. And the guy can't speak English. So he doesn't know where we are. Special stretch. Ooh. Yeah, really working the glutes. Lads made space. It's actually very clean. A light has blown. Be nice to fill the wheel wall. I think we're going to fill it this time. I would say so. It's like fucking Jenga. Excited about your second container, Sean?
Can be a good buzz.
Yeah?
Can be good times.
Scary. Stay away, rain. Stay away. Pushed. He's gonna have to slide that back first, won't he? Jesus Christ. Weird, isn't it? Pressed. That was actually that was quite vicious. Sean, you get the honours. Your first ever. As long as this fella doesn't back up and fucking crush us. What? Watch your fingers.
Zoom in on his face.
Use all two of your horsepower.
1 hour later.
What shot, son? What? Ah! Oh, hey! Oh, we're all right. We got he got the hacksaw. Cheers, man. There we go. I like this custom sticker that you made so no one will mistake it for anywhere else. Just kick back, relax. Learning ya. Just sitting here. We're all here for you, Sean. We're here to give you support. You're doing a great job. Just launch that. A bag of nothing. I got juked. Got a bag of nothing. Nice. Loads of boxes of stuff. Equip. Nice one. Yeah, so as we're unloading them, we try to keep them together. Just makes easier work of it. Hi, we're back.
D-spec.
Bye. Yeah, this is always fun. You never actually really know what's coming. Well, we do, but we don't, because you add stuff to the website and then you just forget about the stuff that arrives. So this should be pretty fun. We'll unload all this and then we'll go through everything again, because unboxing all this stuff is good. And I know a lot of you guys really appreciated it the last time. So there's a heap of cool wheels. We got some engines. We actually got some windscreens because if you want a windscreen for an R32 or a Laurel or something strange, can't really buy that stuff over this side of the world, so we do a lot of windscreens for people. GTR. Mind yourself. The Exceeder, style from Euro traditional. Concept of finalist. Ooh, it's Hot Stuff Corporation. Yeah, we will definitely have to open these in oil. Some Zax. Love Zax. You big fan of the Zax? That guy. Very nice. It's a massive pallet of wheels, and you can kind of see a pallet of engines peeping at the back. So they're usually just completely stacked. This definitely is probably the best part of the job. This and unboxing everything, they are definitely my favorite parts of the job. Stuff never gets old. I've been here 3 years. I still don't get sick of looking at the same fucking wheels over and over. Come on, Adrian. Come on! No loading bay, so it's a bit of a pain. We debated buying like a steel loading bay, but we have nowhere to keep it because our warehouse is pretty small and it will definitely get stolen if we leave it here. So our method works. Our friends in Japan always overcompensate, and sometimes they overpack the pallets. So usually everything is stapled into the ground so it doesn't shift on the container. Hard to tell how rough it gets on the ocean, but yeah, they definitely go above and beyond. All these pallets are custom made for us, for the container. They build everything for the engines and the wheels, which is quite nice, especially using nice fresh wood. Just getting teased by another Nismo LM GT. Right, go down and go back again. There you go, Sean. You can strap on or strap off. Lovely. Oh! Hey, one, Sharon.
Get them orange bags there, John. From far side, isn't it?
Live Sports. There's more than likely a spoiler for a starter. Yeah, so this is like said, a 20-foot container, so there was only 2 pallets. So it's just this pallet of engines, and there's not even that many engines on it. So there's a bunch of just stuff up here that we're going to lift off, climb up there. So now a wing. I've actually got some mats and some bits for my car hiding in here somewhere as well. Oh shit, car mats. So these are the mats for my 8.6. I got red checkered off of Yahoo. And what are these? Got my name on it. Nice. These are side pads for the bride seat, just so I don't rip the shit out of it getting in and out. Bride tuning pad. And they were made in circuit, which is very important. It is very dangerous working here because, yeah, you can tell we just get stuff in all the time, so you have to contain yourself, which is hard to do.